What's up guys, it's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how you can scale your $25 one-up business through email marketing. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload a video on how to make some daily cash. Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going over how you can scale your $25 one-up business through email marketing. This will be part one. Part two, I will show you exactly the email system that I use and how I can connect it to my $25 one-up capture pages and send messages on autopilot. But this is part one of the sequence, so let's get to it. When you are a $25 one-up, a lot of people want to know what is $25 one-up. So it's an automatic system that teaches you how to create an online business and generate daily cash. It also provides marketing tools, guys, and training that will help you succeed with any online business. So when I say marketing tools and training, you get done-for-you websites. It's already a done-for-you system, so that's a marketing tool itself. But you get done-for-you websites that all you have to do is drive traffic to these funnel pages that does the telling and the selling for you. You also get training on like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook training, the system training, pre-written ads, copy, email swipes. You get so many things just for being a part of this business. Not only do you get things that will help you grow, but the commission, the compensation plan, guys, is what really drives more people to this business. You get instant commissions. Like, you do not have to wait for this money. You do not have to wait to get paid. If you're working a 9-to-5 job, guys, you have to wait either to the end of the week, or you get paid bi-weekly or every month, or a salary. So instant commissions is always great because you do not have to worry about being like in a financial state where you can't do something that you don't want to do. With this business, if you want to travel, if you want to take care of something very important, you could use this system to make sales on a daily basis. Now, once you come in, there are different levels that you can come in at. If you come in at the gold level, you earn $25 commissions. If you come in at the platinum level, you earn $100 commissions. The diamond level, $250, enterprise, $500 commissions, and the elite level, you will earn $1,000 commissions. Now, these are instant commissions to your PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, Zelle, whatever processor you want to use, you can get paid through that specific processor. So I love this business. It's global, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use it to make you some daily cash through email marketing. This is just a sequence. This is part one. Once again, I like to share my results. I like to share what I use with the business. I've been a part of this business for over 2 years, and it's been working for me. So I'm just gonna keep going. We're gonna come out of here. I'm gonna go to my back office and show you all of the stuff that we get. And let me show you, these are the capture pages. These are the capture pages. Once someone enter their information, guys, once they enter their information, they will see a done-for-you presentation that this business has already made for you. All you have to do is drive traffic to these capture pages that have been tested. These are high converting capture pages. Now, I do want to say, if you use this type of capture page or this type of capture page where they have to enter their name, email, and phone number, you may not capture as many leads as you would with just using this one. Let me show you how this one look, guys. This is a clean, you see, all they have to do is enter their email. So most people will just go ahead and enter their email and subscribe to see what's on the next page. But once you have a page like this, which I still use it, you just get more quality leads. Once you get people that enter their name, email, and phone number, these are more quality leads, but you may not have, the most leads with using these capture pages. But one thing I do know is when you use this capture page, the lead that actually put in the information to get to the next page is somebody that is really interested. But if you just want to just build your email list, then you would want to go with this because it's simple. They just put an email in and boom, this, they have to fill out their name, email, and phone number, and then, you know, it'll send them directly to that presentation video. But I highly recommend that you use, you know, something simple like this one. And they just added this capture page, which is converting, guys. It's converting, and as you can see, it's very unique. It's clean, it's brand new, it's fresh, it's easy to see. And here you have testimonials of members, and here I was just testing it out, so you could test it out. Once you become a part of this company, you get this capture page for free. As joining at the $25 level, you can get all of these capture pages if you come in at the lowest level. So here I was testing it out, and once you click show me the presentation, this goes to this. And once they watch this presentation video, they can click join now, guys. And once they join now, they can create them an account, and as you can see, boom, this is my name. But when you join, your name will be here, and you will get credit for this commission, for this sign up. So it's very unique, simple system. You don't have to do too much. This does the selling and the telling for you. All you have to focus on is driving traffic to this page right here. I highly recommend that you use this page or the other page right here to drive traffic to get those emails that you can send automatic emails to. And let me show you again what comes with this system. And you can use every tool that they have to help you make money every day. So even if you come in at the lowest level, which is only $25, you could use these pre-written ads and these email swipes that are in here to help you generate money. And if you've been watching my videos, if you've been following me on these type of you know, online marketing systems, is all about making an email list, growing your email list, sending out those offers. I have multiple email tools and systems that I like to use to get my, you know, eyes to my website. That's all we're doing is advertising. If you want to make money online, all you really have to do is know how to copy and paste and drive traffic to a capture page that you could send these emails out to. It's that simple. But once you become a part of this $25 one up family, man, because we're a family, at the bottom you can see when people get a commission, it pops up when people buy their hosting fees, when people join, you can see it at the bottom. So we're just one big family. But once you become a part of this family, you can see, look, it tell you what to post daily. So on your Facebook, Instagram, you know, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok, you have Craigslist. You have so many platforms that you could just express this business to. You don't have to worry about family and friends. Because I know I struggled in the beginning by trying to promote this to family and friends that were not interested in my business. So we show you how to get eyes to global people. This is a global business, so people who want to make money, like-minded people, that's what we do. It's law, kind of like law of attraction. We are attracting people to us that want to be attracted. We're not forcing nobody to join. We're not, you know, sharing this to people who don't want to make money. If they want to make money, guys, we show you how to attract those people to come to you. So it tells you right here what to post. Mondays, 8 to 12 o'clock. Okay, 8 a.m. through 12 o'clock p.m. Post this. You got headlines that you can put in the automatic emails. Now, part 2 of this sequence, I'm gonna show you exactly the email system, marketing system tool that I use and how to set it up. It's called GetResponse. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to add your GetResponse to your capture pages and how to set up a, you know, a workflow where the emails are on autopilot, where you could be doing whatever it is that you want to do, and the money is still coming in. Your emails are still being sent out, and it's just amazing. You can use all of these done for you emails, headlines. You got email swipes down here at the bottom that you could copy, change the words up, do what you want to do with them. It just comes with a lot of stuff inside the system. So I'm excited to be a part of this system for over 2 years. And 2020 is, you know, even better when it comes to marketing online, because there's so many people that want to make money. So if you're interested in making instant 100% commissions, check out the link below. It will be some information on this system, $25 one up. Also, stay tuned for part 2. I will be uploading part 2 on how to send traffic to your capture page, and you capture that traffic to your GetResponse email marketing system tool that will allow you to send your emails on autopilot while you're doing what it is that you like to do. So if you like this content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell. But other than that, I'm out.